okay? Look at me. Weight removal and replacement. First, fully deflate the BCD. Locate the buckle and grasp the strap at the nearest point to it. Release it with your right hand. Always keep the weights close to your body to improve buoyancy control. Keep the buckle with the strap end on the right hand. Pass the strap buckle to the left arm behind your back. Lean in front and place the strap on your waist. Insert the strap end inside the buckle, tighten it and secure the buckle. All is done.